Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I will introduce to you the structure of Willy water separator. So what is the Willy water separator by the way? So the Willy water separator is used to separate the oil from the bilge water. So that is the function of Willy water separator. So we have four stages of filtering in our equipment. First stage, second stage, third stage, and fourth stage. So we have four type of filtering in this Willy water separator. So what is the first stage of Willy water separator? What is the function of first stage? So it is plates where the sludge or the oil residue will trap from these plates. And then what is the second stage? So the second stage is emulsion breaker. Yung parang tablet guys na nakikita natin doon sa loob ng chamber ng Willy water separator. That is the emulsion breaker. So what is the function of emulsion breaker? It is de-emulsified as preparing for separation by third stage coalescer. So yan yung emulsion breaker guys. And then we will go to the third stage of Willy water separator, which is called coalescer. So what is the coalescer by the way? Ano ang function ng coalescer dito sa Willy water separator natin guys? So yung coalescer na ito guys, ito yung filtering unit ng bilge water natin. Kung mayroong nakakalusot na oil film doon sa first stage and then doon sa emulsion breaker, it will trap into the third stage coalescer. So dito yan guys matatrap yung mga oil film sa third stage coalescer. Then after that guys, kasi natrap na yung mga oil film, it will goes to fourth stage, which is the clean water. Ito na yung tubig na pwede nating i-discharge overboard through 15 ppm equipment. Then from that fourth stage, so we have the sampling pipe or sampling tubes na papasok doon sa 15 ppm equipment natin. Then after that, dadaan doon sa photosil ng 15 ppm. Pag may nakita yung 15 ppm equipment natin guys ng kunting oil film, the reading is it will increase up to 15 ppm or more. Then after that, the alarm is activated and then the freeway valve will close and goes back to bilge stop. So that is the purpose of 15 ppm equipment. So dito guys sa Willy separator natin guys, ito yung ginagamit natin para mag discharge ng bilge water natin without oil or without oil mixture. Kasi dito pa lang guys natatrap na yung mga oil residue. Dito pa lang guys sa equipment natin na ito, dito natatrap yung oil. Then lalabas, malinis na guys, malinaw na kasi dumaan na sa filter. So ngayon guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung first stage, kung ano yung second stage, and then kung ano yung third stage and fourth stage. Kasi magkakaiba sila ng trabaho guys, no? Although na yung trabaho nila is mag-trap ng oil, pero magkakaiba sila ng hugis o magkakaiba sila ng structure. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo doon sa Willy water separator, which is nagme-maintenance kami, naglilinis kami para yung equipment natin babalik na naman siya sa normal operation, malinis na siya. So pag nag-discharge tayo ng bilge water, malinis na siya. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo doon at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng Willy Water Separator natin. Okay guys, this is the view of Willy Water Separator body assembly. The inlet line from bilge pump to first stage parallel plates of Willy Water Separator. The outlet line from the first stage going to second stage of Willy Water Separator. From the first stage outlet line, it goes to ball valve to T-shaped strainer before it enters the second stage chamber of Willy Water Separator. From the second stage, the line goes to the third stage called Coulisseur filter. From the third stage, the bilge water goes to fourth stage and pass to the sampling pipe. The oil sensing unit equipped with probe sensor. Probe sensor fitted inside the first stage chamber to detect oil early before it passed to second stage. Upon detecting oil, the sensing unit activates and command the motor operated valve to open and drain oil residues down to bilge separated oil tank. Disassembling parallel plates from the first stage for cleaning. Pull out parallel plates one by one from first stage. View of first stage chamber after removing parallel plates. Washing dust and sludge residues from plates surface. The man in actions who's in charge for cleaning the plates is Oiler Dayo Sabandal. The emulsion breakers used to absorb oilsin mix from the bilge water. Open the second stage chamber to remove and take out the emulsion breakers for water washing to remove the oil sheen. Water washing of emulsion breaker. Condition of oily water separator after cleaning. The first stage chamber of oily water separator. The second stage chamber of oily water separator. And the third stage chamber of oily water separator. Fourth stage chamber of oily water separator. The last filter unit goes to 15 ppm. Turn back and fix the cover of the third stage chamber done by second engineer Melina and third engineer Flores. Installed parallel plates into the first stage chamber done by First Assistant Engineer Concepcion, the team leader. The parallel plates of the first stage chamber are completely installed. Turn back and fix cover of second stage chamber. Install the strainer plates of the first stage chamber. Turn back and fix the cover of first stage chamber. Turn back the emulsion breaker to second stage chamber. Install and fix cover of emulsion inspection hole cover. Install and fix cover of the fourth stage chamber. Tighten all the bolts of first stage, second stage, third stage, and fourth stage cover. Cleaning and inspection of oily water separator are completely done. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ito at na-enjoy kayo at nakapulot ng kunting kalaman sa ating oily water separator. So thank you and God bless to all of you guys. Have a nice day.